Hello, and how is this for September in Vancouver? I headed out early this morning for a walk down to the beach and more, and at 8 in the morning we had misty skies, silvery, you could call them dull, but silvery gray waters, and there were wisps of clouds hanging over the North Shore Mountains, which is quite normal. And toward the end of the walk, I walked the same area again, and by 10 o'clock or so in the morning, the skies were blue, morning clouds had dissipated, and the world is gorgeous. You can see fall is approaching, and the colors on the flowers, I think as the nights become cooler, the colored flowers become that much more vivid. You can see the clouds still hanging around. This is from earlier in the day. And by the time I wrapped up the morning's walk, that was all blue sky. I hope you have a great afternoon or evening whenever you're watching this, or morning. And your week ahead is lovely. Enjoy.